I'm Chris here at Dizzy Pig headquarters. I'm here with Wes from the Farm Brewery at Broad Run, an awesome brewery down the road.
Real close to the intersection of 15 and 66. I'll just give the jump off the highway for folks out in the DC land. That further, points north. But yeah, we've got 15 different beers on tap in the main brewery. 6 taps out at our outdoor pavilion and in our 21 and over spot. So we're going to be brewing a smoked porter collaboration beer together. We'll be brewing that this coming Thursday. Today we're smoking the malt for that. So we got some base malt here, just some pale ale malt. That's about 10% of the total amount of base malt that we're going to be using. The rest of it's still back at the brewery.
Okay.
And then in this bucket is all the specialty malt. And we're not going to really be able to see everything. But we've got some, because it's kind of layered in.
Yeah, you can smell the sweetness.
Yeah, so this is brown malt. We got some chocolate malt in there.
Well, we'll see how much we can smoke at one time. We're going to get this sassafras burning and clean. So, cheers.
Cheers.